Morning folks, Andy here. Welcome back to the boat build. Carrying on with the boat today. I'm just making a little frame here. That's the first frame for the seating on the back. It's going to go behind the door on this left hand side where you walk in. So when the door's shut you both sit down there, and so one person at the helm or whatever while they're going along, and one person can sit on there. Then we're going to have some more seating around here. So it's box section, which I'm going to put some brackets underneath welded to the steelwork in there, but you'll be able to just lift that out. It'll be bolted to that. You'll be able to lift that out and it will have some planking on top for seating. I was thinking of putting padded seats on there and that, but then look at the weather, it gets wet and that, and you have soaking wet seats, and then you've got to put them somewhere to dry out type thing. So I think a planking on it is the best way. So anyway, I'm going to get that tacked up and I'm going to try it on. We'll have a look in a minute. So this is where it's going, between controller and that gate there. So, let's have a quick look. So basically like that, and then planking on top, a couple of brackets underneath, so it can be took off. Any painting, you can remove it and you're not fighting to paint things and what have you. We'll get that welded up. Right, got that finished off now, welded up. I've made some brackets that I'm going to weld to the boat and sit under there so it's sat on it like that. And what I just thought I'd show you is these, what we're going to attach them with, because your normal bolt, but the nut is there. It's called a Rivnut, which is that. Has a top hat on it, a flange. So you drill a hole in what you want to attach your nut to. So that's a 11mm outside diameter, that's a 12mm hole. So it goes through like that. So I've got my pre-drilled holes, I've got the Rivnut screwed on. Push it down like that, and then you just squeeze these two together. And that's compressing the back of that nut. I'll do the last one. If you haven't fully open, press it down, squeeze together. And there we have it. So then you simply put your bolt through there and screw it onto there, and that's it. The tidy fastening system, really. You do get different sizes. These bolts we're using on this are M8s, and that's just a sort of a selection of sizes. It was just a pack I got with all different sizes in. You buy them all individually. So you've got M8s, M6, M5, M4, M3s in there. So the useful bit of kit. What you do is that thread on the end there, that's the M8 one. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets for the end, and that's the tiny one, that's an M3. So you just remove that end bit and fit in the correct size for what you're going to be bolting on. So there we are, a great bit of kit. So what we'll do now is we'll weld those to the side of the hole there, and then we just bolt straight up from underneath into the Rivnuts. So you don't need nuts on top, nuts and bolts on top. You're not messing about trying to get to brackets and things and that. It's just a simple way of fitting, a great way. It's great at what it does, you know. You won't put them in air and then hang a beam on it or something like that. But you end up with a headache if you do. Anyway, next thing is get it in position and get them brackets on. So we'll get on with that in a minute. 11mm outside diameter. Try it back on. So there we have a little seat for while you're having a jolly down river, or you sat on back having a, I don't know, G&T or a pint of real ale or something. It just means that you can sit here, somebody's on the helm, and there will be, we get you know, somebody else on the back as well. But it's also a step to get on the top. So it's dual purpose, can be a seat, can be a step, whatever you want. So that's it, we'll put some board on it, some decking board or something. And that's the first bit done. The next bit is this back area. I need to get that done now. So we've got some seating, like a horseshoe shape on the back. Anyway, that'll be later on, so we'll do a bit of measuring up and that, get some materials ready, and I'll come back when we're on it. Okay folks, moving on with this then. That's the framework for the seat on the back. So across there and then angles out at both sides. So get that welded up. And then I've got some brackets to make for underneath. Right, that's that welded up then. We'll get a quick fettle up, get knots off, and we'll get some brackets made. That's it then folks, all welded up. So we'll get some brackets made. Right. So there's the 4 brackets I've got made. So underneath, that's how they'll sit. Now we need to get those tacked onto this side. And then we'll drop that on, and then we can mark the holes on that for putting the Rivnuts in. We've got the brackets on here now, just hold on with them magnets. So we're just going to check the heights, and then we're going to tack them on, and then put the seat on, level it up, and mark out for the brackets at this end. That's it then, they're on now. Just have a quick look. I'm going to clean all this weld off here, make it all flat yet, fettle that up. That's it, and we'll have some boards on top of there. Should be a tidy job that. Plenty of strength on that. Right, we'll have a cup of tea.